Hi guys, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will show you how you can conditionally hide or display the chart based on the selection, or you can say that on a particular type how you can change the chart type. So for example, you have a bar chart for something like product name, but if you have, let's say, another dimension, probably state, then you want to display some other chart, maybe a map chart. So as you can observe, I have this select a dimension parameter that I had created previously in previous videos, and it's over here under the parameters. So if I click on edit, over here you see the 4 different values: category, subproduct category, product name, and state. And then what I have next is the product dimension, which I have also created in previous videos to show the dynamic dimension. And if I click on edit, you will see that it's a simple case statement based on the dimension selection that you are doing it over here. When category is there, then choose the category field, and so on and so forth. So what it helps is if I select anything, let's say category or any other field, it will show me the information. But now what I want is that for category, subproduct category, and product name, there will be a bar chart. But if I'm selecting the state, then it should show me the map chart. So what I need to do is I need to figure out what dimension I have selected from here. So if it is not equals to state, then show me the map chart. Sorry, if it is not equal to state, then bar chart, and if it is equal to state, then map chart. So let me create a calculated field, and I will say then selected, and I will say select a dimension equals to state, state. All right, and I'll click apply and OK, and here I have dim selected. I will put it here on the filter. It will ask me, since it is a boolean, it will ask me what output I want. I want true. So true will indicate that that the sheet over here should display the value or chart related to state, but I want to exclude it. So that will basically say that if I select state, nothing will be shown over here, but rest of the other 3 dimensions. If I click apply and OK, so if I select state now, so if you see, nothing is selected because I have excluded it. What I'll do is create a duplicate sheet, and I will just change it to edit filter, and I will say exclude, apply, OK. Alright, so now information is coming as per my needs. So what I'll do is I will just remove this, and I will take state over here, and I will take sales on the size. Now this is basically saying that when the state is selected, then show it. So we are good. Now try to select anything else like category. Nothing will be shown. Subcategory, nope, nothing. Product name, nothing. State, you have the state. Alright, so now we have this configuration done in 2 sheets. What I can do right now is create a new dashboard, and let's take a map over here. Let's take the map is over here now. This is a bar chart, and if I show you, I have category, subcategory, product name, and then finally state over here. But this is not a great way to look at it, because on this I just want that on entire screen we should have the either of these 2 type of chart. So what I'll do is I will just take this vertical container over here and put this in it, and put this in it, and I will just hide the title by right clicking over this title. So So now if you see, my chart is coming perfectly. That if I've selected state over here, is fine. And now if I select category, the state is gone. Subcategory and product name, and then finally the state. So this way you can very quickly achieve this dynamic behavior of your chart, where you want to conditionally display your chart based on the selection of your dimension. Now I will meet you in the new video with some new topic.